Hi guys, this is Tim with Tim's Permaculture Homestead. I'm out here today and I was going to dig that yellow jacket nest out of one of my raised beds. This is Sunday. It's probably about noon. Warmed up enough I could take my flannel shirt off. Anyway, I dug up all the honeycomb from that yellow jacket nest and the dirt around that so I can dispose of it, because I sprayed that bee killer in it. Anyway, as I was doing that, I noticed something terrible. I may end up having to, so much for no-till, I may end up having to dig this whole bed up just to get rid of this stuff. Look at all that. See all that? All that is Johnson grass root. And it's going deep. It's going way under the good soil and down into the clay, so I'm having to really dig this out. I hope it's only in this one area. So far it's been all over this. I've picked up 100 pieces probably or more. Anyway, I may very well have to do this entire bed to try to eradicate this stuff out of it. But, and then I hope there's none in that bed, but there probably is. This bed I'm going to do away with. I'm going to use that soil to pot up these hazelnuts here. They went dormant. Them I may let grow in that bed for another year so they get about this size. Anyway, that's what I got going on today. So I'll keep going and show you the results. Hi guys, this is the next day. This is Monday. I had thoughts about just doing away with this bed. I was going to maybe use the dirt to pot these hazelnuts up into pots. Then I thought, well, let me get into it and see just how much of this Johnson grass roots are in there. How much of them are in there? There was a lot, a whole lot. I got this bucket, and then there's another bucket over there full of stuff, roots, Johnson roots, and other undesirable roots. So I got that, I think, all cleaned out. So I'm just going to keep the bed. Then I'm going to tackle this one next. I'm going to do away with that bed, and I'll make that a little area. I'll put the weed mat down, have a place to set pots on it. I haven't decided whether I'm going to keep this bed or not. That bed has got my asparagus in it, so I really don't want to get rid of that. I love asparagus. Well, we'll see. I've been cleaning. I've done a lot of cleanup. I cleaned up this whole mess right here. I've cleaned up some of the mess that's inside here. This thing's about to fall down. I want to disassemble it. I think I just found my what do you call it, thermometer down there on the floor. I think I was looking for it. I didn't know what happened to it. Anyway, yeah, I'll pick that up in a minute. Anyhows, the cats got in here. They threw a bunch of stuff down, and then I started throwing stuff in here just to get it out of the way. Well, I cleaned up a bunch out of here. I still got a lot more to clean up. I got to get rid of this whole wood. It's a major job, and I got to take these glass panels down. I probably won't tackle that this year. What I wanted to do is take them panels, make another little greenhouse over here, add it on the front of this, come out here, over and back, and put a permanent roof on it. One of them that clear plastic stuff. polycarbonate or whatever they call it. I might do that if the lumber prices come down someday. I would like to do that. So that's what I've had going on. Done a lot of cleanup in the front, on the porch, cleaned that all off, trying to get ready for winter. Still got a lot to do. The compost pile, I'm gonna work on that here in a little bit. Anyway, just thought I'd give that a little update, and a lot of work. So I'll make this video, I'll end it right here, and I just want to say God bless. Hope everybody has a great rest of the week, and see you on the next one. Bye. Forgot something as usual. I'll throw this in there real quick. This is a bed I had Jerusalem artichokes in. The weeds overtook it, and I dug some up right in here as all that was in this whole bed. And this whole bed at one time was completely full of them, but the weeds took over, and so I cleaned all this up around here also, and I'm going to put some aged horse manure and stuff in here, kind of raise it up some. And I did dig up a bunch of Jerusalem artichokes here. See, all this. I can break these pieces up, and I'm going to store these in the barn over the winter, and when spring comes, I'll plant them. I'll have that all ready to plant. I'll cover that with straw so the weeds can't get started in there. Then I'll pull the straw out and plant these. Went back by the bald cypress tree. I had one that had a lot of seeds on it. So I pulled a bunch off, and inside them balls are little seeds. There's one right there. Whole bunch of them. Kind of sticky. And I want to make another little air pruning bed. Not very big, maybe 3 foot by 2 foot, something like that, and plant all them. Plus I've got a bunch of peach tree pits that over there in the old food forest on the ground. Thought I'd pick some of them up and plant them. Then I've got other stuff too. Yeah, I don't know what all, but anyway, I want to throw that in there too. So all right, this is the end for sure. All right, bye.